What's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect and also reset to pair your Apple AirPods 4. Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio, and in this channel, I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell while you're down there. And also, if you want an epic phone case like this for your phone, check out the links down below in the description. All right, with that being said, let's get right to it. All right, so you may want to reset your AirPods. Maybe one of them is not functioning properly. It's not connecting. Maybe they're both having issues and you want to give them a quick reset because most likely that will help them start working normally again. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So in order to connect your Apple AirPods 4 for the first time, all you have to do is open up the lid when you're close by your iPhone. And after a few seconds, it should read it. And this message here will pop up. It says AirPods, and then all you got to do is hit connect and then go through the setup steps here to connect the AirPods. Give it a few seconds. And as you can see, they are connecting. So here we can hit skip. So there you go. That is how you connect and set up for the first time your AirPods 4. Okay, so how you reset your AirPods 4, maybe they're acting up, they're not working properly, so you want to give them the quick reset. So in order to perform the quick reset on your AirPods after they're connected, all you have to do is open up the lid here. It should pop up since they're already connected. And then what we're going to do is we're going to tap twice on the face of the AirPods case here on the dot. So go ahead and tap twice. Once it starts blinking white, we're going to go ahead and press on the X over here, and it should automatically come up again to connect. Okay, so this is a reset and reconnection of the Apple AirPods 4. So now you just have to go through the steps once again to get it set up. And there we go. And if that method of reset does not work, you can always go the traditional route. So the other way to do it is open up the lid to make sure that your AirPods connect once again via Bluetooth. Go into settings on your phone. You're going to go into your Bluetooth settings. And then here you're going to find your AirPods. Okay, as you can see there right here. I'm going to select the eye right here. And then here in the AirPods, we're going to scroll all the way down and we're going to select forget this device. We're going to confirm once again, hitting forget device, and the AirPods will be disconnected. So that way they will be reset by reconnecting them. So once they are completely disconnected, then we can go ahead and open it up. Okay, they should pop up here or in your Bluetooth settings, and just go through the connection settings once again. Follow the prompts here. Double tap on the screen. And there you go, your AirPods will be connected once again. All right, everyone, so that is how you reset your Apple AirPods 4. Go ahead and destroy that like button if this video helped you out. Comment down below and let me know. And that's all for this video. Catch you guys in the next one. And as always, peace.